There are cities you visit, and there are cities that stay with you. Hong Kong is one of those cities. It's fast, intense, and unforgettable. A place where glass towers rise beside ancient temples, where neon lights glow above crowded streets, and where the rhythm of life never seems to slow down. At first glance, it feels overwhelming. The density, the movement, the energy. But look closer, and you'll discover something more, a city full of contrast, culture, and character. So what makes Hong Kong so unique? Why has it become one of the most iconic cities in the world? And what does it really feel like to be here? In this episode, join Wander World as we explore Hong Kong. Hong Kong is famous for its skyline. But this isn't just about tall buildings. It's about how everything comes together. From the air, the city looks almost unreal. Hundreds of skyscrapers packed tightly together, rising straight up from a narrow strip of land. Behind them, steep green mountains. In front of them, open water. Very few cities in the world have this kind of setting. The skyline along Victoria Harbour is one of the most recognizable on Earth. During the day, it feels sharp and modern. But at night, everything changes. Lights turn on across the city. Buildings glow in different colors. Reflections shimmer across the water. It feels alive. And when the symphony of lights begins, the entire skyline becomes part of a show, a carefully choreographed display of lasers, music, and light. This is Hong Kong at its most iconic. One of the best ways to experience it is by taking the Star Ferry. The journey is short, but unforgettable. As you cross the water, the skyline surrounds you. The wind moves past. The city slows down for a moment. It's simple, but powerful. From above, the harbor looks like a perfect balance: water, buildings, movement, and space. Hong Kong didn't have the luxury of space. With mountains covering much of its land, the city had only one option: build upward. That's why Hong Kong is one of the most vertical cities in the world. Residential towers stretch high into the sky. Apartment buildings stand close together, creating a dense urban landscape unlike anywhere else. From street level, it feels intense. From above, it looks like a pattern, almost geometric. But within this density, life flows smoothly. Everything is organized. Everything is efficient. And that's what makes the city work. Despite its complexity, Hong Kong is incredibly efficient. The public transportation system is one of the best in the world. The MTR connects almost every major area, trains arrive frequently and run on time. Double-decker buses travel across the city. Trams move slowly through the streets, offering a different pace. Even ferries play an important role. Everything is connected, everything is easy to navigate. In a city this dense, efficiency is essential, and Hong Kong delivers it perfectly. One of the most surprising things about Hong Kong is how close nature is. Despite its dense urban areas, a large part of Hong Kong is actually green. Victoria Peak, the best view in the city. No visit to Victoria Peak is complete. Standing high above the city, it offers the most iconic view of Hong Kong. From here, the skyline stretches across Victoria Harbour, with skyscrapers rising from both sides of the water. During the day, the view is sharp and clear. But at sunset, everything softens. And when night falls, the entire city lights up beneath you. It's one of those moments that feels unforgettable, the kind of view that defines a city. Sometimes, the best experiences are the simplest. The Star Ferry has been crossing the harbor for over a century. The ride only takes a few minutes, but it gives you one of the best perspectives of the city. As you move across the water, the skyline surrounds you. It's calm that it's refreshing. And for a brief moment, Hong Kong slows down. If you want to feel the energy of Hong Kong, head to Mong Kok. This is one of the busiest and most densely populated areas in the world. Narrow streets are packed with shops, bright signs hang overhead, and crowds move constantly. Here, the city feels alive in every direction. Markets like Ladies' Market offer everything from clothes to souvenirs. It's loud, colorful, and full of character, a true street-level experience of Hong Kong. For something completely different, there's Hong Kong Disneyland. Located on Lantau Island, it offers a mix of Disney magic and local culture. From themed rides to live shows, it's a favorite for families and visitors of all ages. It's a reminder that Hong Kong is not just intense, it can also be playful. If you're looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, head to Repulse Bay. Soft sand, calm water, and a slower pace of life. It feels very different from the busy city center. Here, you can enjoy the sun, walk along the beach, or simply take in the ocean view. From peaceful mountains to crowded streets, from modern skylines to traditional culture, Hong Kong is a city of contrast, and every corner offers a different experience. Hong Kong is not just a place you visit, it's a place you experience. And once you've seen it for yourself, you'll understand why Hong Kong has captured the attention of the world for so long. Because no matter where you go next, a part of this city stays with you.